Whoosh.
Wanted to catch my smash.
Smash.
Or my failure.
Trying to smash.
Aw.
Trying to fail.
Hey, I got it on the log. I was kind of afraid I wouldn't.
Yeah. Failures mean cars.
Oh, so it's old hat for you. Don't get in the way of the camera. Wanted to catch my smash.
Smash.
Or my failure.
Trying to smash.
Aw.
Trying to fail.
Hey, I got it on the log. I was kind of afraid I wouldn't.
Yeah.
Oh. Yeah!
Getting it.
Put her there.
You never did.
I'm gonna do some of it.
Gotta hold it down, girl. Gotta hold it or we get the block.
It's not working.
Yeah, I know. Good grief.
All right, Mr. Previous Landscaper is gonna show us how it's done.
Stop that.
Oh, missed. Oh, got it. How strong you are. Such a strong chopper.
Jump chopper.
So sexy.
There.
Good job. Nicely chopped.
You be a man. Ron Swanson, the crowd.
Oh, I hate that guy.
I know.
He drives me absolutely up the wall.
Such a prick, but I love him.
He's the worst.
I can identify with him.
If you actually acted like him, I would not be dating you.
Refuse to love me.
Yes, I would refuse to love you. My love is not unconditional.
What exactly is so offensive?
He...
I hate the most.
What do I hate the most about Ron Swanson? He's extremely closed-minded. He antagonizes people just for the sake of antagonizing them.
Just like me.
You do not do that.
I don't do it that hard.
Yeah. Whoa!
Killing it.
Yeah.
Like how manly I am. Trailer backing skills and wood chopping skills.
Uh-huh. I wish we'd gotten some of that on video. Your trailer backing?
Yeah. I can just back it like a slow jog.
Yeah.
Yeah. Done a lot of weird driving adventures.
Yeah.
Like driving home from the naked bike ride with no clothes on. I just got back in the car and headed home.
Yep.
That's too mushy for me. I'm going around. I got my city person shoes on today. Gonna freaking crawl through the underbrush there, hun. Girl gone wild here. Hope YouTube doesn't misinterpret that phrase. Girl crawling through brush. That's what I meant. It's a lot of sharp stuff here. Get your. Yeah, you got brambles right here and right here. It's designed for little short stacks like you to get through.
You wimp.
Yeah, look. See, it's sharp. All that.
I got through it.
Yeah, because you're super short.
Alright.
Let's film from back here.
You're no fun at all.
You good?
How are we supposed to be wilderness explorers if you won't explore the wilderness?
Oh, I will if I just had some boots on.
I think it would be fun
Huh?
to walk back like in there
Yeah.
or somewhere
Somewhere.
and like cultivate a little soft area for ourselves.
Tunnel area.
Yeah. Like cut down the brambles and whatnot. We would need like a machete or something, but
Did I ever tell you about my my gasoline powered brush cutter? That was scary and very fun. It was a gas powered weed whacker with basically a steel ninja star in the end that would get going for around 8,000, 10,000 RPM.
cool.
And sometimes I couldn't ever figure out how to get it stopped doing this, but occasionally it would loosen slightly and start rattling and get like really sketchy.
You made that thing?
No, I didn't make it. I bought it.
Oh,
They're all supposed to be used like that.
okay.
But it was like a steel ninja star that was used for cutting brush like this. Stuff that's too heavy for string,
Yeah.
but kind of impractical to do with shears.
Okay. Here, hold this for a second. I'm gonna take some pictures.
Mhm.
I should have taken some pictures of that other.
We're doing selfies now.
Doesn't matter. I'll flip it around. You gonna burn our chopping log?
Mm-hmm. Eventually. I don't want to burn more brush though.
Yeah.
Eventually.
Yeah, probably keep it for now.
Chopping block. Want to slaughter chicken fresh for dinner?
Sounds delicious.
Yeah, you want fresh chicken?
I thought you had to age them for a while though.
It's true. Good catch, city girl.
Thank you. I watch a lot of FarmTube. I don't know what the purpose of that is, but I know that it's a thing.
I think the fresher the meat, the tougher it tends to be.
Oh yeah.
And then most flavors tend to break down. You age it a little bit, give it a few days.
Yep.
Yeah, fresh meat's not always chalked up to me.
Why does it get more tender though?
Something about enzymes, I think, but I don't know.
Move away from that one. So where's the frisbee? Can you go get it?
Sure.
Go get it. We're almost out of daylight.
Let me get the back of the truck. Clean that real quick, and then you go. Lose my balance there.
Hold on, let me make sure I get this on video. In the ditch. Woohoo!
Ah.
Hey! I'm pretty far. Yep, that looks pretty good. Yep. Yay! Yay!
Yeah, we just need to practice. What, all the mud?
flashing?
Uh-huh.
Uh-oh. That means that there's something wrong. You know that, right?
Something wrong?
Yes.
Yeah.
The tow haul is supposed to be solid.
Yeah. Oh, I know.
Okay.
Not saying it's good. Just saying it's fine. Sure, I'll manage. Not when enjoy our first engine failure in our new home. Sound good?
And then I will have been.
So
Aw.
hand out the window.
Yeah.
Nearly
Don't do that.
Dumb idea. Can't be like a trucker.
Well, you know the bright side. If we do have an engine failure on the road, or at any point before we get to Dad's house, or in the driveway at Dad's house, I will have been right.
Yeah. I never said you'd be wrong. I said we should try it. Did I get it wrong?
Nope.
Nope. Not.
That doesn't mean that I'm any less right than
Hey, that's righteous.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
I'm not saying you were wrong. I'm saying I was right.
Yeah, I can't. Quite the tumble, wouldn't it?
That would be quite the tumble. You.
Weird, it doesn't shift down when I shift down.
Hmm.
Good side, right? Your gears aren't working.
Yep.
It's really annoying.
Engine braking just not working at all.
No, today,
I think you're just being paranoid.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You're not going fast enough for it to have an effect.
Yeah. The truck was a million times muddier after coming back from your trip to town.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, because I was hauling butt to get back up here.
Oh.
It's super fun. I got the zoomies after good. Sounds like me on it.
Sounds like a good idea with a bad transmission.
Yeah. Stop here, really thoroughly clean out my heating dish here. I've got all my focus on those. A lot more of that. Way good.
Smells bad.
Yeah, probably hot brake.
Yeah.
Or a transmission failing. Or both. Need brake and transmission replacement.
So, if we do break down in the Spirit Mountain Casino parking lot, we can stay there for a couple days.
Yeah.
If we gamble.
If we gamble.
Yeah.
Better learn to gamble, honey.
Yep. Well, that might have not have been such a good idea. We broke down on the side of the road, and the trailer is now parked in a farm parking lot. A tow truck driver is coming for the truck. We're gonna leave the trailer here. Thank goodness these people were nice enough to let us park the trailer here until our truck is fixed. Hopefully a few days, hopefully not a week. My brother and his girlfriend are gonna come pick us up from here. Yeah. I'm kind of afraid of some of our stuff getting stolen from here out of the trailer, but we also don't have very much room in their car to take stuff with us. So. It's been a while since we last saw you guys. A couple of weeks, to be exact. A lot has happened. I don't think we filmed anything in between. But, long story short, we have our truck back. Finally. And we're on our way to get our trailer back from the farm where we left it.